Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart, and in this video I'll discuss exactly where we enter and tomorrow what type of trading strategy and in which level we are going to enter. So everything we'll discuss. So as we discussed yesterday, that was our seller territory. Okay. So we was looking for short in between this area, right? So here I can see yesterday closed somewhere there, and we was looking for short in anywhere below this level, but we was looking for buy above this territory, right? So that was our seller territory. So finally what happened, you can see price open a gap up somewhere here. So means price goes beyond this territory, all right? So that is why we was looking for buy. So when we was looking for buy, so we identify two area, and that is called breakout the structure. So that was our breakout structure breakout, and another we was looking for buy near demand zone. So here you can see that was demand zone, but price not able to reach either breakout the structure level or near demand zone. So here you can see what happened. So price open somewhere there, pull back, goes a little bit, again pull back, and goes a little bit, and pull back, again create a new higher high. So in that case, you can see right now price not able to reach this level. They form a new demand zone, right? So now you can see they are forming a new demand zone. Price hit this level, bounce again hit this level, bounce again. So means that is a rejection again and again. So we use as a demand zone. So when price not able to reach this breakout of structure or demand zone, and we are just waiting for a new demand zone. All right. So finally they form a demand zone somewhere there. So how advanced we enter here? Let me explain here. So who people are using trend line breakout? Let me show you. Most of the people are using trend line breakout somewhere there. Okay, somewhere here. Some people are using somewhere like trend line breakout, but we enter exactly in this area. All right. So you can see the price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, and the pull back near demand zone. That was our entry point. So we use 1:3 ratio. That was almost like a 50 point. So let me show you 50. Okay, and my target is 1:3, 150 somewhere here. Okay, that was my target. Okay, so we booked profit. All right, so let me explain for tomorrow. So now I can see price creating new higher high and higher low. So in that case, you must find out the breakout, the structure. So here is the breakout, the structure, this one. And what is the first demand zone? Demand zone is somewhere here. So means same way we are looking for buy only. This is buyer territory. All right, this is called buyer territory. Let me show you. Okay, this is the buyer territory. Okay, so means anywhere like somewhere here, if price reject from this area, we are looking for buy. Okay, or if price goes to this level and form any buy signal, so definitely we will buy. But if price break this demand zone, we will be seller. All right. So let's say price open a gap up. All right. We never know where going to open tomorrow. Let's say price open a gap up. So I will use this breakout structure. So once price pull back, so I'll see some price action in a small time frame. So let me show you in a small time frame here what price action we use. Let me circle this area. Okay. Now let's zoom to 1 minute chart. Let's go to 1 minute chart. So then you comes to know how exactly we using price action method. Okay. So now you can see when price goes near this area. So see the price action. We are not interested in this price action method. They are just constructing this demand zone, and we are not interested in this far from demand zone. Demand zone was somewhere there. And finally, you can see price pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, and a rejection and a perfect entry point. All right, this area. Or some people who are like not aggressive traders, so they can go here, right, after getting higher high in this area. So similarly, we are looking for buy tomorrow. Just a minute. Okay, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, all right. So my breakout stacks are here, and my this one demand zone. So let me show you here. So if price goes like that, like that, like that, so definitely we'll buy now. Not here, not here, not here. So we need confirmation. Or if, let's say, price drop drastically like big wave, so we are not interested because these sellers still activated, right? So definitely we'll wait for pullback and some rejection in this area. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Or if you're interested any like my live update in my Telegram channel, you just go to my description. You just open an account, and after that you just inform me. I'll join you. Okay, thanks for giving your valuable time.